Look, another ETT squad member.
ETT squad! Lovey! Show Lovey! Show Lovey!
Lovey.
ETT!
ETT, we love you guys! Good afternoon, ETT squad. Another day at Animal Kingdom Resort, and this time, guess who I brought? Baby Yoda. He is so excited because I'm going to take him to World of Avatar. Oh, he's excited to go on that planet. And then we go to Planet Batu. So it'll be interesting what he thinks about World of Avatar. Yeah, he likes it. He's excited. Baby Yoda, what do you think about World of Avatar? Do you like this planet? This is like a vacay planet. You like it? Oh, he loves it. Wow, Baby Yoda, check that out. And look at all the plants down there. Look at that. Baby Yoda's so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh boy, Baby Yoda's enjoying Planet World of Avatar. You know what? He gets to relax. There's no trackers on him right now. They're not tracking Baby Yoda. He loves it here. No tracker on you, Baby Yoda. Don't worry. None of the mean people around this area. Alright, Baby Yoda, we're at Satuli Canteen. I always say it wrong, but he wanted some chicken, and they didn't have chicken nuggets, so he's enjoying this. He thinks it's yummy. You like it? And then he wants to eat the chocolate dessert right now, but no, not yet. Right after you eat your chicken, your chickadees, because he loves his chickadees and the chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh boy, Baby Yoda, isn't it paradise out here? It's so beautiful. He feels so relaxed. He is obsessed over these waterfalls.
Stop.
The Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar? Or do you want Olaf Frozen Lemonade? Or how about the Mickey Premium Ice Cream Sandwich? It's very tasty, yeah.
Hear you nothing that I say.
Look, come on this side. He wants to talk to the man.
Hi, how are you?
You must unlearn.
He might use the magic powers on you.
Oh man, he's making me rise.
Yeah, he's making you rise. Oh, this is so. Can I have some water, please?
What? That is too cute.
He's visiting from another planet.
Yeah, from Planet Batu.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty neat.
Right?
Oh, hey there. Oh my goodness, with the force.
With the magic powers.
With the magic hair.
That's super cute. It's Baby Yoda!
Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda, baby Yoda. We love Baby Yoda at my house.
Baby Yoda matches your apron. You want a snacky snack? He's looking at those Mickey cookies right there.
Get wet.
He got his little, my little jelly bean, my green jelly bean got wet. Look, water all over him. You want that cupcake right there? You want that little cupcake right there, or do you want one of these apple? Do you want the caramel apple? They can cut it for you. What do you think? You want the one with the nuts? I mean, he's been doing so many magic tricks with his hands, so he's starting to get hungry. He keeps doing his snacks, meeting people, eating, sleeping. You're something else, Baby Yoda. You know that? He wants to stay here. Look at his feet. You know why he likes a lot of chicken nuggets? Look at his footsie wootsies. That's why, because he's a chicken. He's a chicken himself. You are a little chicken. He wants to say hi, Kathy.
Hello. Which leg you want?
Which one do you want, Baby Yoda? I think Kathy wants to do. She loves doing magic tricks.
Ah.
Yeah. Which one do you want? I think that's what he wants. He wants the chocolate. He wants this big giant chocolate cookie since he loves a lot of choc. Yeah, he likes a lot of choc. Chocky latte. He's like looking at all the snacks, all his options. He loves those crackers. Simba, yeah, you like Simba? Yeah? And then he was looking at the popcorn too. Show him the popcorn. He doesn't know which one to pick. There's all assortment of different popcorn. Look at even Mickey. He likes Mickey.
Stop touching things.
Show him Mickey with the caramel popcorn. He loves. You want this bag? You want this bag? Yeah? All right. He's getting out of control now. He's getting out of control. He just found a cup that it's about the same shade of his skin color. I just bumped into another subscriber, Kelly.
Yes.
That's so awesome. What's your daughter's name?
ETT Squad Gracie Almighty.
Oh, ETT Squad rocks. I love you guys. Yeah, so whenever you bump into me, any of the subscribers, ETT Squad, never be embarrassed. I love seeing you guys. I love
it's
it.
so nice to meet you.
Same with you. I'm glad you recognized me. I guess, how did you recognize me? With my hat?
You didn't have your mask on.
I didn't. True.
You know what? We recently started following you, and literally we live for your story.
It's crazy. How many seconds did it take to get that fast? Whoa. Yes, we came to Magic Kingdom today just for this. No way, I didn't know that. I love hearing
And
that.
my daughters could not come. It's just my husband
Oh,
and
I wish they were here.
But I said to my husband, I hope we meet Angie and Lovey.
That's so funny. That's so awesome, Kelly. Love you.
Where you
You're
guys-
awesome.
I'm not even on Instagram and I know who you are.
Wait,
I
you
mean-
can talk about.
I don't even know.
On camera.
Look, another ETT Squad member.
ETT Squad,
God.
lovey, show lovey, show
He's having
lovey.
me lovey.
ETT.
ETT, we love you guys. So awesome to meet ETT Squad. That's for sure. I love you guys so much. And all your friends, everyone subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Hey, thanks for posting. We love it. We're not
You're
here. We love
welcome.
it.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. We'll take a picture.